So my name is Jazmyne, and I have been with SERVPRO since I was 16. My father owned a SERVPRO in Altamonte Springs. I started off there as a technician. My dad always used to say, know your worth. And I didn't quite get that until I was a little bit older. So it was really hard to figure out what I was worth because I worked for my father for so long. Being a female, especially a young female, in a man's world essentially, I learned how to always back my knowledge. I would have to say technical jargon that you're not really supposed to use, but it was the only way I could gain the respect of the people that I was just meeting. I take it as a challenge. I don't take it as an insult anymore. My father made me do every position that you could possibly think of, and at the time I hated it. But now looking back, I realize that he really, really did me a favor because there's not very many positions within the company that I'm not at least familiar with. It's given me the confidence to know that I can really go anywhere. I think it's a big benefit for me having worked in all the departments. When you're working in a position, you always think that you have it worse, you know? And there's pros and cons to every position. I know the hassle that the office goes through if you don't get one form signed. I know the hassle of having to get up in the middle of the night and go to a job. There's nothing that I can ask anybody to do that I haven't physically done myself. I've been pretty blessed to meet a lot of amazing people because that's probably one of my favorite things about this job is the people that you get to meet and the things that you get to do. I've been on storm a lot, and you just meet people who are absolutely genuinely appreciative that you're there. I had this one Italian lady make me pasta visual, homemade pasta visual, and she insisted that I come over and eat with her. So I went and had dinner with her. People are genuinely on storm happy that you're there, and it's always just amazing because people are just, the kindness in people come out even when they're in their worst situation. So it's always nice to see. Personally, my house burned down when I was 21. So I connect a little bit easier to people when they say, you don't understand. I'm like, well, unfortunately, you know, I've been through a similar situation. Your house is probably the biggest investment that you'll ever make in your life. So whether it be just one room or one small corner, that's a big deal to people. So one of my favorite moments is to have the customer next to me when I'm turning off that final air mover. And just the look on their face to hear that silence again and to be the person that comes in and makes everything better. I like that.